Hi class 3, good morning. Okay, so today I am going to teach exercise 9.8, okay, page number 100. So, is everyone ready? Okay. See exercise 9.8, what is written here? Number 1, Sohan bought 2 kg 50 gram potatoes and 1 kg 225 gram tomatoes. So what is the total weight of vegetable he bought? So what we have to do? We have to do addition, because what is the total weight? We have to find the total weight of vegetable he bought. Okay, Sohan bought from market. Okay, number 1, Sohan bought how many kg? I am going to write direct solution. Okay, I am going to direct. So look here, weight of potatoes. Potatoes equal how much? 2. I'm going to write kg. Okay, kg and gram here. 2 kg. 2 kg and how much? 500 gram. And weight of tomatoes. Weight of tomatoes equal how much? 1 kg and 225 gram. So we will find the total weight. Okay, addition, that means we have to find the total weight of vegetables. Okay, so 5 2 6 plus 2 7 plus 2 5 plus 2 7. This is what? Gram. Now 2 plus 1 3. This is what? Kg. That means 3 kg 725 gram is the total weight of vegetables. Okay, so the answer is what? The total weight of vegetables, the total weight of vegetables is how much? 3 kg 725 grams. So this is our answer. It's very easy, no? Okay, so have you understood? Okay, we'll try to do number B. Okay, number 2. Okay, look here, a bucket full of water. Okay, a bucket full of water, weight 16 kg 230 gram. The weight of the empty bucket is 1 kg 765 gram. What is the weight of water in the bucket? Okay, a full bucket of water is how much? Number 2. Okay, direct solution I am going to do. So a bucket full of water, weight of full bucket water equal how much? Here is kg. Okay, and this is gram. How much? 16 kg. 116 kg and then 230 gram. The weight of empty bucket water equal how much? 1 kg. 1 kg 765 gram. Okay, so we have to find what is the weight of water in the bucket. bucket is 1 kg. Empty bucket is 1 kg. That means minus. We have to minus. Okay. So we have to find the weight of water in the bucket. Okay. A bucket full of water weighs 16 kg 230 gram, and the weight of the empty bucket is 1 kg 765 grams. So we'll do minus. Okay. Now from 10, if you minus 5, then 5. This is gram. From 12 you minus 6, 6. From 11 if you minus 7, 4. So from 5 if you minus 1, then how much? 4. And this one will come down. So this is what? Kg. That means 14 kg 465 kg is the, so the answer here. The weight, okay? The weight of water, the weight of water bucket, the weight of water in the bucket, okay? In the bucket is how much? In the bucket is how much? This one, okay? 14 kg and 465 gram. This is the answer. Okay? Weight of full bucket water equal how much? 16 kg 230 gram. And weight of empty bucket water equal how much? 1 kg 765 grams. So we'll do minus. The weight of water in the bucket is how much? We got 14 kg 465 grams. So this is the answer. So have you understood? Okay, so if you have understood, you try to do number 3 and 4, 3, 4, 5 in your notebook, okay, at home. So this is your homework. Suppose here in number 3 question, Parvati bought 12 kgs 500 gram of wheat flour in a month. She used 9 kg 800 gram of it. How much wheat flour was left with her? That means this is what we have to do, subtraction. Okay, first of all you write this 12 kg 500 gram, and then from there you subtract 9 kg 800 gram. Okay, and you will find the answer. And number 4, the weight of 2 children are 27 kg 550 gram and 32 kg 559 gram respectively. Find the total weight. This is what we have to find, total weight. It means this is what plus we have to do addition. Okay, and in a fruit market there were what? 90 kg 500 gram mangoes, 58 kgs 900 gram of mangoes were sold in a day. So this is what we have to do, minus. Okay, this is what? Minus, plus and minus. Then you will get the answer. Okay, so enough for today. Okay, so thank you class.